Greetings to all present there. I'm Shravani Sagun from India. I'm writing my doctoral thesis on space law, and my focus is on the environmental concerns in outer space. The title that I have chosen today to talk about is Nurturing Sustainable Space Governance for Future Generations, Integrating Climate Science into Space Policies. With the use of word nurturing, I tend to bring your focus on the sense of responsibility, the responsibility that all the states must have, and not only states but also organizations, space agencies, and other actors, be it private actors or governmental actors who are into exploration of outer space, must have the responsibility for sustainable space exploration in order to contribute to sustainable space governance, and how that sustainable space governance could be achieved for future generation. I propose with the integration of climate science into space policies, which is not very easy thing to bring, for the reason because this intersection presents unique challenges and also opportunities, for the obvious reason of interdisciplinary nature of both climate science and space policies. But it is very important at the contemporary time to integrate climate science into space policies to have sustainable space governance, for the reason climate change impacts space operations, and space activities contribute to climate monitoring and mitigations. Both are that interconnected. Some example that I could highlight here, that how climate change impact space operations are, because of climate change there is change in the atmospheric density. You would see the space weather is changing because of the climate change. So the climate change on earth is impacting space environment also, and thus the for the purpose why a satellite is sent sometimes gets affected. And it is not something hidden that the current space policies have gaps, and because it has the integration of space integration of climate science has been overlooked, which results in the fragmented approaches to address climate related problems, and vice versa. But with the integration of climate science into space policies, the solution that we could achieve is mitigating space debris. That is one of the most environmental concern and alarming too. And we can have, it can enhance climate monitoring through space technology. We are already dependent on climate technology, but with this integration and some regulations, there will be more climate change indicators. We could use space technology that can indicate about greenhouse gas emission, deforestation, keeping in the mind while sending a satellite. Further, how to get to the solution, I like to take the audience from concept of sustainable governance to practices. So I have divided it into three phases. First, initial phase, where I propose research on climate and science policy integration, which would include analysis of environmental impact of space missions and identify opportunities for using space technology to monitor and combat climate change. Second, development phase, with the findings and the result that I would get from initial phase, try to create an integrated policy proposal or have amendments in the existing space treaties, which is quite difficult to. However, there is a possibility to do that as well. And lastly, the implementation phase. In implementation phase, I again emphasize strongly on bringing all nations, international bodies, international organizations, all stakeholders to have their say, because without which it is not possible to have a robust, sustainable space governance framework. And I also emphasize strongly to include academia in such policy making, to have their say, to have the research done by them, to analyze that. Lastly, the expected outcome with this integration could be uh, enhanced climate monitoring and a reduced environmental impact of such space activities. While concluding, I strongly urge all the audience to join in integrating climate science into space governance to safeguard our planet and the cosmos for future generations, to give it the way we got outer space to our next generation. Thank you very much. Have a great day.